Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be talking about the basics of Swift 5, and in this part about integers. Yeah, let's start our playground. So I'll come here, and when you have everything closed, you will have three options. So the first option gonna be playground. I say okay, make a blank playground for me. I go to my document, and in my learned iOS Swift, the last one was part 2. This one I'm gonna make it part 3. So it will be just one started playground. You always import UIKit to be able to communicate with user interface. Okay, so let's go to our theory parts. Okay, so today we want to talk about the integer. So integer are whole numbers with no fraction components, okay, such as the 42 or minus 27. Either integer, either are could be signed or unsigned. So positive 0 or negative for signed, but unsigned only positive and 0. So in Swift give us some option about the integer. Usually we will when we want to make a variable or constant to be integer, we use int. This part you will see in later, but even we can make it more specific if we want to use. So we can use int 8, which means 8 bits, and we can use int 16 or 32 or even 64 bits. Also we can only use int. Also Swift give us option that puts u before this and make it unsigned integer. So so this one means the integer from minus to maximum number, but when we use unsound u int, then it will be there won't be any negative number. So let me try this to create a bounds, bounds in maximum and minimum of our integers. So here you will see that if I run it, here you will see. So for when it's 8, it's gonna be minimum 0 and maximum 205. Okay, what if I don't use unsigned, I just use int? So you will see minus 27. It's just said because I had declared this before, so I just add 1 here to make it okay. And minus 128 and 127. So you will see when you use it unsigned, then you can go until 255, but for signed you will go maximum on the range is from 255, but start from minus 20. So let's do this for others to get idea what are they. Okay, so I'll do it for 16. Also I make this 2 16 3 3 16 16. Yes, actually I should remove this guys because it doesn't work for this. This Command C, I put it here, Command V, and I say okay, replace it with just one space. So I just say replace. Yes. Yeah, I do this to give you idea that you know, about the all integers you have available to use in Swift, and how specific you can go, depend of you know, your requirements. So for this one, let me make this 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so int 16 min and max, you actually unsigned int here, and let's make this one 32, 32, 32, 32, 64, 64, 64, 64, and actually on int, you know, just int. Okay, so let me run all of this and to get the review. Okay, how gonna be? So you will see 16 will be 0 to 65, 5, 3, 5, and for if we for unsigned integer 16, and for signed integer it's gonna be like this, and for 32 and for 64 you will see the number, you know, increase there. But the interesting part is that you know, for 64, if you use you know, an integer or you know, unsigned integer or integer, there's no difference. Your maximum number won't be more than this. And for int, same. So actually usually int pick up could pick up 32 if your environment platform it's not you know, 64 digit, but usually in you know, new hardware it's going to be 64, maybe later become 128, I don't know. Okay, so yeah, this is as it is, and you will see how you can use a different range of numbers. Usually Swift in their document usually advise to use int unless you have to or you have planned for that, because there's no point that you use an int, you know, unsigned int when you don't need. Okay, that's it for today, and the integer and numbers actually. So in the next video we will go over floating points, and if you like this one, please give it thumbs up. If you and also don't forget to be subscribed. Any question, please ask and comment. I'll be more than happy to help, and I wish the best for you. Have a good one. Bye bye.